Ladies, please help us decide on the slogan for the new fashion brand for long-legged beauties. The product our client is launching with is a pair of denim joggers, long, comfortable, and very flattering. The first slogan is, "Where fashion is reaching new heights." This slogan suggests that our pants are designed to elevate fashion and cater to the style needs for long-legged women. It emphasizes a sense of sophistication and trendiness, and it may capture attention by implying that our pants offer something exceptional and fashion-forward. The core value is sophistication. The second slogan is, "My legs are as long as my pants are." This slogan takes a more playful, personal, and inclusive approach. The core value is empowerment. Women of all leg lengths may wear our long pants as a statement of taking their personal power into their own hands. For example, my legs are 100 centimeters long. This is not considered long. Considered by who? I am going to buy myself this pair of pants because my legs are as long as I say they are. My legs are as long as my pants are. No one can tell me who I am. I decide for myself. This is my right and my deliberate choice. I feel this slogan gives us more room for viral resonance and impact. It conveys confidence, empowerment, self-expression, and a sense of identity. Which slogan do you resonate with and why? Which slogan would you get a pair of legs under? Let me know in the comments, and as always, wear your passion.